He's packing in Delicious Secret. It's a strung outfield coming to the home corner. Gunfire led the way only by a head to the good of Woven, travelling well for Hall. A length and a half away, Well Spoken Man, who's had a good run up behind them. Third coming into the bend. On the outside now, Loopy's Lady's about to put in its run as Well Spoken Man tries to push into the clear. Country Fox has got a split between horses. Down the outside, Big Alley Cat, Card Night as well. She can, Shazam and Scanda Vista. Loopy's Lady reaches the lead with 150 to go. Led by a length and a half, and his Stormy Planet starting to weave its way through. Down the outside, Scanda Vista. She can, Shazam. She can, Shazam. Diving, She can, Shazam. The ex-Victorian mare has
certainly is a nice result. Then I'm with the newly appointed foreman for the Fred Kersley stable, Karen Kersley. Karen, a really nice run there, especially for Ron, who bred this horse in New Zealand.
Yeah, it was good for Yarradale and good for us. It was a good ride for Stevie because I don't think the track's that good, so taking a wider run I think really helped the horse.
Buys the bill, so we're expecting would want further ground, but the mare's shown or thrown some that have got a bit of toe as well, and we saw that then.
Yeah, absolutely. She was coming home with no real finesse, but she got there, was making hard work of it, but she got there on the line.
Racing well fresh as well, we've seen that. Were you confident coming into the race from those recent trials?
No. No, a trial wasn't that good, so we upped the work a little bit, and it's paid off on the day.
Certainly exciting to get a result early on. Now for you tomorrow, the last runner as the Karen Kersley trainer.
Yes, and that's Go Tiger, my last runner. Can it go out with a bang? I doubt it.
We'll wait and see. Congratulations.
Thanks, Adam.
Well, grade winning jockey now, Steve Parnham. And Steve, that was a bit of a surprise.
Yeah, Fred said it's been working quite good. He was of the opinion maybe it choked down in its trial. It did get its head up and pull a bit, so we just let it flow and be in a happy spot today. The pace on really suited us, I think, and I let her roll into it. I think she's going to get further, and she was going strong on the line, which was good.
That's a positive, isn't it? She's going to want that 1,1600 metres where she's raced well over East as well, so it ticks another box.
Exactly, yeah, I think so. There's more to look forward to, I think, hopefully.
Congratulations, good ride.
No worries, thank you.